Taking care of your health shouldn't feel complicated or require rearranging your entire life. At Ellis Mobile Chiropractic, we deliver high-quality health and wellness care in a way that fits into your life, not the other way around. We offer 2 ways to work with us. First, our online video consultation. From the comfort of your home, you meet directly with Dr. Ellis to review your situation and, when appropriate, receive professional guidance or device prescriptions designed to support your health at home, while also determining whether you're a good fit for ongoing care. It's a straightforward, efficient way to get clear direction and next steps. For those who need hands-on care, we also provide professional chiropractic house calls, bringing high-level care directly to your home without the stress of travel or waiting rooms. Our process is designed to give you confidence, structure, and a clear path forward. To get started, visit ellismobilechiro.com and schedule a video consultation.